Okay, this is 110 kilowatts VFD, and we are going to see how to check the parameters, navigate through the parameters, and also how to input parameters. Yes, as you can see in the VFD, it's the Schneider VFD. Now, for you to access the parameter, first let me take off the display, remove the display, and then we put the display. You have to gently fit in the display. When you fit in the display, it will show you, it will take you to the drive menu. This is where all the settings are done for the VFD drive. This is where all the settings are done, and then with this you can navigate through the VFD, and this is the escape button that return you back one step back to the menu that you were. So now for you to see and navigate through the VFD, first we are going to take the first menu 1.1, which is the simply start menu. In this menu you have access to configure the drive to the VFD. So as we access it, you press here, it will take you inside the menu, and you can see here, you use this to roll it down, you turn it down, it will take you down to any option of the menu. We have the standard motor frequency, we have the rated motor power, we have here the rated motor volt, we have the rated motor current, we have the rated motor frequency. So basically you have to consider the nameplate of the motor, and from the nameplate of the motor you can now go ahead to configure your VFD. Now how do we do that? Let's go up now. We'll take the rated motor power. Now the motor power that is driving this VFD is 110 kilowatt. So you press here, you see, and then you see that you can change it up, bring it down. But since we are considering the 110 kilowatt, you press it again, it will save as a 110 kilowatt. That is how you also go to the rated motor volt. Now this tells about the voltage that you want to use to drive the VFD. Is it a 220 volt? Is it a 415 volt or 400 volt? But here, as you can see, we have the 400 volts that is driving this VFD, and it has a range. You see the minimum range here is 200, as far as the maximum range of 280. So you now set your voltage, and then you set it in. You look at it again. What do you have? The rated motor current. Here you have to consider the nameplate of the motor. From the nameplate of the motor, then you now input the current of in the nameplate of the motor, and you save. Yes, and then you now go down. What do we have here? We have the rated motor frequency. Now you see it's 50. So that is how the rated motor speed. You have to check the RPM of the motor, and then you input the RPM of the motor to the VFD. So basically what you do here in simply start drive menu, that is menu 1.1, is for you to compare the nameplate of the motor and then transfer it inside the VFD. Thank you, and thank you very much. Thank you. We go back and we go back. Thank you.